Hello folks, this is Phil with Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. We're going to take a peek at today is our new SMC stock combo. It's a 13 SSR with a mid-tack, bunk beds. Two 10,000-pound axles, Dexters, hay rack, ladder, a solid one-piece load door here, one cut gate, about as pretty as they come. Nice power awning with an LED strip below it. It's a new style awning. You can control it from the outside or the inside, either one. So right there's your controls for outside. Let's go up the ramp into the mid-tack. You got your 4-tier saddle rack, bunk beds that fold up and down, got ducted air and heat into the mid-tack with outlets. Going into the bathroom, you got a nice big sink and vanity, big corner enclosure shower with a sky dome for us tall people, max air fan, stool, nice big closet there to the left of the stool. Got a pocket door leading into the living quarters. 6 cubic foot fridge, microwave, recessed cooktop with drawers below. Get steps up into the bunk. The sofa on the drop wall. Dinette in the slide. Flush floor slide. All LED lights, ducted air, ducted heat. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.